Good day everyone. Welcome back to JBS Wiki channel. In today's video, we are diving into Azure Data Explorer and I'm going to walk you through the step-by-step process of connecting Azure Workbooks to your ADX cluster database. Whether you are building dashboards for real-time analytics or just getting started with the Azure Data Explorer cluster. This guide will help you quickly set up that connection and start visualizing your data like a pro. We will go from the Azure portal all the way to a working workbook connection. No steps skipped, no fluff, just clear and practical guidance. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you're new here, hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so you never miss a video from our Azure Data Explorer series. All right, let's jump in and get connected to Azure Workbooks. Let's look for the monitor here. Yeah, and inside the monitor, we will look at the required workbooks. Yeah, so if you see here, we have the workbooks here. Just click on that and then click on New Year. Yeah, and then click on add, and then let's add a query here. Yep, so we have the query here. So now if you see here, we have this data source here, and we need to select our Azure Data Explorer. Okay, now we need to provide the cluster name. For that, what we need to do is like we will have to go to the overview section and open this essentials, and then you have this URI here. Just copy that and then go back to the workbook here and then give the cluster name there. Yep. And then we need the database name. So let's go back to the Azure Data Explorer cluster, go to the databases here, and then you have this database name, yeah, which is JBAEDXDB. So this is the one. So let's copy that. So the names are same here. There is a possibility your Data Explorer cluster and the database name is different, but in my case, both are same. So I'm just copying that. Yeah, just be aware of that. So, and then once this is done, what you'll do is like we have a table there. Like if you go back here and then go to the query, and then you can look for the available table. So we have customer and census. So what I'll do is like I will use the customer table. Yeah. And then if I execute that, if you can see here, it is able to get the required data. So this way, what we can do is like using a workbook, we can connect to the Azure Data Explorer clusters database and then query the required data. And then we can create whatever visualization is required. And also like if you need just the data, you can get all those things from the table. And that way we will be able to create a end-to-end solution. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Jai Hind.